Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Johnny. In today's episode of Learn English Through Story, we will listen to the touching journey of Amelia, a young woman of 18 whose life changed when she entered marriage. At first, she felt fear and uncertainty, but through kindness and patience, she discovered what true love really means. As you listen, remember, this story is not just about Amelia. It's also a chance for you to practice English naturally through emotions, conversations, and everyday expressions. So, relax, listen carefully, and let's begin Amelia's story together.
My name is Amelia. I am almost 18 years old. I grew up in a small village where people marry young. My life was simple. I helped my mother cook rice and clean the house. I played with my little sister under the mango trees. But my heart was full of dreams. I dreamed of a man who would look at me with kind eyes, a man who would hold my hand and make me feel safe. Not gold or big houses, just real love that feels warm like the sun. When my parents said I would marry Ethan, I did not say no. Many girls in my village married at my age. Some smiled, some cried. My parents said Ethan was a good man. He lived in a nearby town. He worked in a shop. He will take care of you, my father said. I trusted them, but inside, I was scared. Ethan was a stranger. We met only 2 times before the wedding. He smiled politely. He spoke few words, but I did not know his heart. The days before the wedding were busy. Family came from far places. They sang songs and danced. They put henna on my hands. The red designs looked pretty, but my heart felt heavy. At night, I lay in bed. I thought about the first night. Friends whispered stories. It hurts, one said. It is like a dream, another said. I did not know what to believe. I felt like a small bird in a cage, ready to fly, but scared of the sky. My mother saw my worry. She sat with me. She gave me a small silver ring. "This is from my mother," she said. "It will keep you strong. Remember, be brave." I hugged her. Tears came to my eyes. "I will miss you," I said. She cried too. "I will always be in your heart," she said. That made me feel a little better, but the fear stayed. The wedding day came. I wore a red dress with gold threads. My face had makeup. My hair had flowers. Everyone said, "You look beautiful." I smiled for the photos, but inside, I felt like I was wearing a mask. The music played loud. People danced. Ethan sat next to me. He looked handsome in his white shirt, but his eyes looked nervous too. We said the words. We put rings on each other. The crowd cheered, but my hands shook. When it was time to leave my home, my heart broke. My father held my hand. "Be good," he said. His voice was low. My mother hugged me tight. "Call me soon," she whispered. My little sister cried. "Don't go," she said. I knelt down. "I will visit," I said, but tears fell from my eyes. I walked to the car with Ethan. The village looked small behind me. I waved goodbye. My family waved back. I felt like a part of me stayed there. We drove to Ethan's house. It was dark outside. Lights shone from the windows. His family welcomed me. They smiled. They gave me sweets. "You are part of us now," his mother said. She was kind. His father nodded. "Be happy," he said. They showed me the room. It was clean. The bed had white sheets with rose petals. The air smelled sweet like jasmine. A small lamp gave soft light. "Rest now," his mother said. She closed the door. I sat on the bed. My dress felt heavy. My heart beat fast. I looked at my hands. The henna designs looked dark in the light. I touched the silver ring from my mother. "Be brave," I whispered. But fear came like a wave. What would happen? I did not know Ethan. What if he was not kind? What if it would hurt? I heard stories from cousins. Some said the first night is scary. Some said it is quick. I wanted to run back to my mother, but I could not. This was my new life. The door opened slow. My body froze. I kept my eyes down. I heard footsteps. The bed moved a little. He sat next to me, not too close. The room was quiet. I could hear my breath. It was fast. My hands felt cold. I waited. What would he say? What would he do? Then he spoke. His voice was soft. "Amelia," he said, "are you okay?" I did not look up. I nodded a little. My throat felt dry. He waited. Then he said, "I know this is new. I am scared too." His words surprised me. Scared? Him? I looked up slow. His face was gentle. His eyes were soft. Not hard. Not angry. He smiled a little. "We do not know each other well," he said, "but we can talk first." My heart slowed a bit. Talk? Not more? I felt a small hope. "Yes," I said. My voice was small. I looked at him. "Why nervous?" I asked. He smiled shy. "Because I want to be a good husband," he said. "I do not want to make you sad." His words made me feel warm inside, like a soft blanket. No one said that to me before. "Thank you," I said. He asked about my family. "Do you miss them?" he said. I nodded. Tears came to my eyes. "Yes, my mother, my sister." He listened. "I understand," he said. "You can call them tomorrow." I smiled a little. "Really?" "Yes," he said. "They are your family." We talked more. About small things. He told a funny story. "When I was small, I fell in a river," he said. "My friends left. I was wet all day." I laughed soft. It felt good to laugh. My fear went away a little. He did not touch me. He sat far. But his words made me feel close. "What do you like?" he asked. "I like reading books," I said. "Stories about love." He nodded. "I like that too," he said. "We can read together one day." The night went on. The lamplight was soft. The room felt less scary. I felt tired, but good. "You can sleep now," he said. "I will not do anything you do not want." I looked at him. "Thank you," I said. He smiled. "No need to thank. This is our life now. We go slow." He stood up. "I will sleep on the floor," he said. He took a blanket. I felt surprise. "No," I said. "The bed is big." He looked at me. "Are you sure?" I nodded. "Yes." We lay down, far apart. The bed was soft. The petals smelled nice. I closed my eyes, but sleep did not come fast. I thought about him. He was not like the stories. He was kind, gentle, like a friend. I heard his breath, slow, calm. It made me feel safe. I moved a little closer. Not touch, just closer. He did not move. I felt peace. In the middle of the night, I woke up. The room was dark. I felt cold. I pulled the blanket. Then, I felt his hand. He touched my arm soft. "Are you okay?" he whispered. "Yes," I said, "just cold." He moved the blanket over me. "Better?" he asked. I nodded. "Yes." He did not say more, but his touch was warm. Not scary. I felt my heart open a little. Morning came. Light came through the window. Birds sang outside. I opened my eyes. Ethan was awake. He looked at me. "Good morning," he said. His voice was soft. "Good morning," I said back. I felt shy, but happy. "How did you sleep?" he asked. "Good," I said. "You?" He smiled. "Best night," he said. We got up. He showed me the bathroom. "Take your time," he said. I washed my face. I looked in the mirror. My eyes looked different. Not scared. A little bright. When I came out, his mother was in the kitchen. She smiled big. "How was the night?" she asked. I felt my face red. "It was good," I said. She hugged me. "I am happy," she said. She did not ask more. Maybe she saw my smile. Ethan came. "Let us eat," he said. We sat together. Bread, tea, fruit. It tasted good. His father said, "Welcome to the family." I felt warm. After breakfast, I called my mother. "I am okay," I said. "He is kind." She cried happy. "Good, my child." I felt joy. The days after were new. Ethan and I talked more. We walked in the garden. He showed me his books. "Read this," he said. "A story about love." I read it. We talked about it. "What do you think?" he asked. "It is beautiful," I said. He smiled. "Like you." One night, a month later, we sat on the bed. "Do you feel ready?" he asked. I nodded. "Yes." He held my hand. Slow, gentle. We kissed, soft like a flower. It did not hurt. It felt good, safe, like home. I whispered, "I love you." He said, "I love you too." It was true. Not fast love, slow love, built from trust. Now we have a small family, a baby boy. Life is not perfect, but full of love. I think about that first night. It was not scary. It was the start of something real. To girls who are scared, I say, be brave. Speak your heart. The right man will listen. He will wait. Love is not force. Love is kindness. To men, be gentle. Be patient. Make her feel safe. That is true strength. That is love. Thank you for listening. This story has feelings, fear, hope, love. If it touches you, like, comment, share. More stories coming soon.